Good afternoon. My name is Carolyn Norton. I'm the Cloud Practice Director here at Velosio. Welcome, guests and forward-thinking innovators. Today, you're about to embark on a transformative journey through the realm of cloud technology, and we're thrilled to have you join us for our webinar on mastering the cloud with our Azure migration offer. As we delve into the Azure migration offer, you'll discover how this unique opportunity is not just about moving to the cloud. It's about redefining the very foundation of your organization's infrastructure. With Velosio's expertise lighting the way, the path to a robust, scalable, and secure cloud environment becomes clearer and more obtainable. At Velosio, we've been the guiding force behind many clients on their transformative journeys, and our ability shines when it comes to navigating the complexities of cloud migration, ensuring that businesses not only transition smoothly, but they also harness the full spectrum of the benefits by the latest technology and security tools available in the cloud. But what we've realized is that many organizations, while they're aware of the cloud benefits, the challenge for them is figuring out what the first step is, or finding the right skills, or even just carving out time for the shift, which can be daunting. That's why we've created this offer to guide and support you on the journey forward. So, with that being said, let's take a moment to dive into the details of the Azure migration offer and how it can support your organization's journey into the cloud. Firstly, it's about understanding and strategizing. This phase involves evaluating if your organization is a fit for this Azure migration. So we dive into your organization's present state and explore the challenges at hand and name some benchmarks for success beyond just transitioning to the cloud. We want to look at everything. If there's any factors or concerns that show up in migrating to Azure might not be the best fit for you and your organization, we're going to be upfront about that and recommend not moving forward with the migration. This is really important because we're committed to ensuring that the critical applications that's powering your businesses remain stable and undisturbed, giving you the peace of mind that you deserve. Now, if it turns out moving forward is the right call, we're going to lay out the roadmap for our clients. This includes setting up the Azure landing zone, outlining the migration strategy, and handling the actual execution. And the best part is that we take care of everything. So we'll walk you through our strategy and the timeline. And after that, it's time for us to roll up our sleeves and do the heavy lifting. And once we've successfully transitioned everything into the Azure cloud, we're going to conduct health checks and just make sure everything's running just as it should be. Once the migration's all done and wrapped up, Velosio's got you covered in terms of managing and supporting your environment that's now in the cloud. This means you're going to have a helping hand as you get acquainted with your Azure and its ecosystem. Essentially, we want to make sure that you're not alone and you're not flying solo once we do the work. And then for any organizations that are already Azure savvy and just needed a boost in getting the resources in the cloud, Velocio's still here to lend a hand whenever you need it. Because our goal is to ensure that you have a steadfast partnership and basically all the right tools for success. This offer does more than just figuring out if the cloud is the right move for you. We're going to handle the planning, the grunt work. Plus, if you need a bit of extra help, we're here to offer support and management of the environment and making sure that you keep on thriving once you moved into the cloud. With everything being handled, ideally, there's no reason for you not to venture further into the Azure cloud. So at this point, the question is, why wait? Take some time to look at the offer, go to our landing page, and let's get this journey started. The hope of this webinar is to shed some light on this offer and how it can benefit your organization. And hopefully, this helps explain what we're looking to support you on and ideally get the most out of cloud and be successful. So that's the offer that we have here today.